I know during our undergraduation days we have a challenge in understanding certain subjects, be it issues from our side or from the management side, doesn't matter now, but now you have a real opportunity. It's not just about cracking entrance for that matter, it's all about mastering all concepts at the undergraduate level. So this preparation phase is an opportunity for you to master all concepts, because these are going to be the foundation for your master's degree, believe me. Hi, hope you're all doing great. We're launching a new batch for NEET MDS 2020, regular batch with improved compliance program from October 1st week 2018. So we'll be providing course through 3 formats: test series, e-classes and study club discussions. First, coming to test series, we have carefully designed test series in such a way that we'll be allotting around 2 weeks. Ample amount of time, 2 weeks for each subject. And also, as you can see, strategically we have cumulative tests incorporated between subject tests. So you'll be getting plenty of time in order to revise and master all concepts from all subjects. And also, you can see the regular schedule will be completed by the month of October itself. So November and December you'll have time for again the next revision along with grant tests, revision tests, etc. Now if you look into our schedule, we have a dedicated schedule from our side. It's not about a student's schedule. I mean, we have retrograde schedule, compliance reports for that, but we have a schedule from our side, which means we from our side will be providing you something every day. If you look into the schedule, Monday will be having a daily test. For that matter, daily tests will be there every day from Monday to Friday. Along with that, you have point and shoot sessions, surprise tests, ranks declaration, again live sessions, exam, analysis, compliance report submission, right? So the one major challenge which we found during the entire course of our journey is to maintain that consistency, because often the 3 basic requirements, in my opinion, in order to succeed in any entrance is hard work, consistency and believing in yourself. Hard work, fine, we're all ready for that, but consistency is something which really throws a challenge at us time and again. So in order to have this consistency in one's preparation, we have introduced these ICP programs, improved compliance program, where we have a compliance report. All you have to do is track your day and week and mail it to us, so that we'll give you appropriate feedback. In that way, at least we'll stay in touch and try maintaining consistency as much as possible during the entire course of your preparation, right? And then coming to course details, coming to e-classes, online lecture series. In fact, my entire heart goes into this. I spend most of my time making videos and creating tests. So coming to e-classes, as you can see, first I have mentioned about improved compliance program, because it is something which plays a very crucial role in one's success in any entrance. So along with that, we'll be providing access to more than 1500 video lectures. It includes subject-wise videos, topic-wise videos, 1-minute videos, textbook discussions, study with me sessions, live sessions, motivational videos, orientation videos, whatnot. Different range of videos with different newer concepts in order to make learning more enjoyable and fun. And along with that, key points, a soft copy of key points for each subject will be provided to you in a respective subject section in e-classes itself. And all doubts will be clarified through doubt clarification form, which is available in general section of e-classes. And the basis of this doubt clarification form is based on my teaching methodology, which encourages active learning, right? Anyways, I've discussed many of these concepts in general section of e-classes. You can refer those videos, orientation videos, for all detailed information. Now, coming to test series, so you have daily tests, subject tests, revision tests, cumulative tests, grant tests, including surprise tests every week. right? So likewise, we'll be providing you more than 9,000 MCQs, including image based questions in NEET format. So the software is going to be almost the same, and by the time you complete any particular test, you'll be provided key along with explanatory answers. But daily tests, since they are important points, we're not providing any explanations. But for rest of the tests, surprise tests, subject tests, cumulative tests, revision tests, grand tests, you will have key with explanations. And coming to study club discussions, my personal favorite, because it's an opportunity where I can use technology to move closer to everyone. So we have a WhatsApp study club, WhatsApp group, wherein we will have these active discussions in the form of point and shoot sessions, right? So every week we'll be having 3 such sessions. One on Monday, the other on Friday, and the other on Saturday. So 3 sessions every week covering wide number of topics. And there will be literally hundreds of topics covered exclusively through WhatsApp itself, right? And one additive feature here is all the discussions in our WhatsApp or study club will be uploaded back to e-classes, so that even though you miss any of the discussion, you can get back to e-classes and go through any discussion any point of time throughout the year. So we have a backup. Literally, we have a backup for all the discussions, right? So along with that, the most crucial thing, course fee, we have designed it as economical as possible, keeping in mind the requests we get from our students. For all these details, you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com, or you can even log into our website ptbdacademy.com for more information, including payment details, right? And the course will be valid till the date of NEET MDS 2020 exam, right? So this is it. For any further queries, you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com or log into our website ptbdacademy.com. I firmly believe in 3 factors which are essential, crucial, deciding factors in playing an important role in achieving success: hard work, consistency, and believing in yourself, self-belief. It's not just about working hard, but working hard on a consistent basis. And then, most importantly, no matter how much you work hard, no matter how much consistency you maintain, you don't believe in yourself, you don't think you will succeed, you will never. So that's the reason why I keep on highlighting these 3 important factors: hard work, consistency, and self-belief. Don't worry about guidance, don't worry about schedule, because it's our responsibility. All you have to do is just follow the schedule and focus on your preparation and see what maximum amount of information you can get into in as logical manner as possible. I know during our undergraduation days we have a challenge in understanding certain subjects, be it issues from our side or from the management side, doesn't matter now. But now you have a real opportunity. It's not just about cracking entrance, for that matter, it's all about mastering all concepts at the undergraduate level. So this preparation phase is an opportunity for you to master all concepts, because these are going to be the foundation for your master's degree. Believe me, right? So wish you all the best, love you all, and just focus on what best you can do in this 1-year phase. And our objective has been always almost the same: making preparation more enjoyable and fun. Only then we can sustain our preparation. Only then the real sense of preparing for entrance matters. I hope you got my point. Wish you all the best. Love you all.